If you decided to start your own business in NFTs and want to find the best NFT business ideas to start your own business, I'm going to share with you some best NFT ideas to help you start an NFT business today. Also, I would recommend you to watch the other episodes of this series where you can find more information about the NFTs, how to buy it, how to create NFTs and start your own business, and other NFTs business ideas. If you are new here, welcome to my consulting channel. I'm Michael Tadros, the professor. I have a diversified experience for many years working as a consultant for startup businesses and entrepreneurs, as well as a project manager for Agile, Scrum, Lean and conventional projects. Now, if you are ready, let's get to it. Number 1. NFTs for music. Although the music streaming platforms are fairly new, these have not improved the situation on how poorly designed is the royalties distribution system and how little are artists compensated for their work. For example, most of Spotify's top 0.8% of artists earn less than $50,000 in streaming revenue. Musicians and bands using NFTs could easily track sales. I believe you can remember that the creator takes a percentage of every sale made in the future. NFTs for music could also mean creating new kinds of products, not just songs. Bands can now design cool tickets for each tours and give them away for free as NFTs to concert attendees. Collectibles, accessories for online avatars, the opportunities are endless. Number 2. Sell fashion accessories to metaverse users. Although this is a fairly new concept, there is future potential for the fashion industry to be an important part of the metaverse. The opportunity for the fashion industry is endless. Users can spend money on NFT clothes and accessories for their avatars. Selling virtual outfits through the metaverse could very well generate an entirely new revenue stream for fashion entrepreneurs, designers, and brands. Number 3. Create your own virtual reality. With NFT services, you are able to create more than just a platform. You can be a creator of alternative universes. Yes, virtual worlds are booming right now. People create their own worlds to make other people interact with their worlds. What's far more interesting is that creating virtual worlds might be a very profitable idea in the real world. For example, Decentraland, the platform that allows everyone to create metaverses, gathers large sum of money with its Mana cryptocurrency. Plots of digital land in Decentraland worlds are selling for hundreds of thousands of US. Users create different virtual experiences like digital exhibitions, NFT galleries, concerts, and share them with other users. The Mana currency itself experienced rapid growth recently. For less than a year, this currency's price has quadrupled. Number 4. Create a white label NFT service. White labeling is the process of removing the brand names of manufacturing companies and placing logos and brand names of sellers. This is a common practice used by smaller businesses that resell goods from China on platforms like Shopify. The same strategy may be applied to NFT services. With NFT services, you don't have to build a platform from scratch, because the concept contains plug-and-play white label capabilities by default. If you manage to create a global Shopify-like NFT platform with both sellers and buyers in mind, you will take over this niche for a long time. Number 5. Create NFT Collectibles. NFT services suit well for distributing limited collectibles assets. Therefore, celebrities, sports people, and other public people create and sell collectibles cards of themselves. For example, Wayne Gretzky, a Canadian hockey player nicknamed the Great One, launched NFT cards. Cards were divided by price levels, with the cheapest one costing $12 with 5,000 copies and the most expensive one costing $1,500 with only 12 copies available. And guess what? All cards were sold out in minutes. Still, collectibles should not necessarily relate to some person. OpenSea.io is a marketplace where users can trade their digital creations for Ethereum. Here you can find everything from creative logos to digital sneakers. The scope of your creations is limited only by your creativity. As it comes clear, the more creative you are, the more revenue you will generate. Number 6. NFT Wearables. Wearable devices that display your NFT assets might sound a little bit freaky, but it definitely might be the next fashion trend. Take a look at Eduardo Jaramillo and his concept of an NFT necklace. A young jeweler converted an ordinary Apple Watch into a stunning accessory that displays different non-fungible assets possessed by owners. Of course, this accessory is not a cheap one, with a golden chain and a case encrusted with diamonds. However, Eduardo does not plan to stop there and wants to make wearables affordable for everyone. But this case shows how NFT services can be applied in the most unexpected aspects of real life. NFT wearables niche is unexplored and leaves a vast room for imagination. Rings, bracelets, keychains, and other types of accessories may be interesting to various audiences. NFT business models are not limited to these exact use cases. There is so much to be tried. Video games, media services, reverse search engines, and more. Non-fungible tokens' future lies in the hands of creative people that can find an appropriate utilization for this technology. When running out of ideas, you can analyze what other enthusiasts think and want to see. BitCountry provides a forum where users can suggest their ideas and vote for the most prominent ones. Now, I believe you got some information if you want to find the best NFT business ideas to start your own business. On the other episodes of this series, you can find more information about some ideas to start your own NFT startup business. Thanks for watching these 6 episodes of NFT Startup Business Deep Dive. I would recommend you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the other episodes of this NFT series. Just click that button down below to subscribe and make sure you ring the bell so you get noticed when other videos come out. Also, don't forget to leave your feedback, questions, or suggestions for future videos. I'll be more than happy to reply and assist you. I look forward to talking to you at my next video. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.